library friends, it's Miss Vivian from the Casa Verdugo Library. Today I have a story about community gardens. Published by Farrar, Straus & Giroux for young readers, an imprint of Macmillan Publishers, this is Green Green, a community gardening story, written by Marie Lamba and Baldev Lamba, illustrated by Sonia Sanchez. Green Green, a community gardening story. Green Green, fresh and clean. Brown Brown, dig the ground. Rakers scrape seeds in rows, tamp and water, the garden grows. Brown Brown, dig the ground. Dozers lift, concrete flows, stone and metal, the city grows. And grows. Green, green in between. People living in the apartment buildings grow beautiful plants, beautiful gardens. Squirrel gray, pigeon blue, weeds and wildflowers, litter too. Brown Brown, dig the ground? It looks like they found an area where they could grow a community garden. And now they're all coming together. Brown Brown, dig the ground. Lift and clear, shovel rows. Working together, our garden grows. And grows. And grows. Green, green, keep it clean. How do you like their community garden? And that's the end of the story. And right here at the back, the authors talk about community gardens. And they also talk about the importance of bees and butterflies and how they need your help. And there's also a nice arts and craft idea here, bee and butterfly decorations. And that's the end of Green Green, a community gardening story, written by Marie Lamba and Baldev Lamba, illustrated by Sonia Sanchez. Thank you. Now here's a song we could sing. Here I have my beehive with some busy bees. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's close Close your hands just like this, and let's bring the busy bees out. 1 busy bee, 2 busy bees, 3 busy bees go buzz. 4 busy bees, 5 busy bees, 6 busy bees go buzz. 7 busy bees, 8 busy bees, 9 busy bees go buzz. 10 busy bees, 10 busy bees, 10 busy bees go buzz. Very good, library friends. Now how about some butterflies? We can sing this together. 1, 2, 3 butterflies. 4, 5, 6 butterflies. 7, 8, 9 butterflies. 10 butterflies flying in our garden. Thank you, library friends. If you're interested in reading more about community gardens or checking out books about bees and butterflies, please visit our website at eglendalelac.org. The library now offers curbside service, so you are welcome to make a reservation and wait for a library notification, please. And once you receive the notification, you could schedule an appointment for curbside pickup. So thank you very much for joining me today. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.